Look at that sand. But who is on the bulldozer? It's Gaga. What are you doing, Gaga? Gaga is bulldozing that big pile of sand. You're good at driving that bulldozer, Gaga. Have you finished, Gaga? Where are you going? Oh, are you going to get that crane? Look at that big, big crane! Wow! I wonder what Gaga is going to lift with that crane. It must be something heavy. Down goes the hook. What's going to come up? Here it comes. Here it comes. A dump truck. Wow! Easy. Careful. Careful. Down it goes. Where are you going, Gaga? What's down there? Oh, you're getting something else too? It's GooGoo! Hello, GooGoo. GooGoo is going to drive the dump truck. Look at GooGoo drive. Backward and forward. Be careful, everybody. Beep, beep, beep. Gaga is back on the bulldozer. Here we go. She's making a farmyard for the farmhouse. Now GooGoo can help you make the farmyard. Where are you taking the sand, GooGoo? By the farmhouse? Now, Gaga is cleaning up all the sand that was left behind. Here comes GooGoo again. Now he's driving a steamroller. Gaga has got a whole truckload of trees. They must be preparing a garden for the farmhouse. First, you've got to dig holes for the trees. And then plant them. Beautiful. What does the farmyard need now, GooGoo and Gaga? Green. Ooh. Oh, Gaga is making a front lawn. Every farmhouse needs a front lawn. Looks like somebody's hungry. Pink, blue, orange. What can we make with all those colorful bricks? GooGoo and Gaga are building something together for their farm. A garden wall. And GooGoo has made a gate. That's a neat farm, GooGoo. Water? What do you need water for, Gaga? Where is Gaga taking the water? Look, GooGoo! Gaga has made a pond! Oh, yellow sand! What are you going to make with the yellow sand, Gaga? I wonder what they're doing. Ooh, GooGoo is on the steamroller. It's not grass, and it's not water, and it's not a wall. So what are they making? What is it? Is it a surprise? What's in there? Marbles! Here we go. Roll them down to the pond, Gaga. Whee! And sploosh! Ha-ha! Whee! And again! Look at the marbles roll! That's a beautiful pond, Gaga. Oh, don't let them run away. Oh no, there they go again. Quick, catch them. Gaga and GooGoo have finished their day's work and play. Now they need to park all the vehicles. The bulldozer, the dump truck, the big crane, and the steamroller. Beep, beep. Time to go home. Gaga and GooGoo have made such a beautiful farmyard.
Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.